We're here in Star Ranch, a 1,000-acre master plan community built around a 18-hole championship golf course deep in the heart of Hutto, Texas.
Pacesetter Homes is one of Star Ranch's latest builders with a few inventory homes left to sell before this area is completed.
Let's check out this Pacesetter model home and see what makes these properties so unique. We're here with Ayana Shabazz from the design team. So Ayana, what makes these Pacesetter homes so unique?
Pacesetter offers a variety of several different floor plans that you can choose from. They're very unique. You can choose from different cabinet colors or stains, granite countertops versus quartz, or even different floors like tile, hardwood, or vinyl plank.
Ayana, this is a very interesting space. I see the bathroom, I see the kitchenette. Can you tell me a little bit more about this?
Yeah, this is our guest casita. The kitchenette is optional, but it does come with the cabinets, a microwave, a sink, and an area for drinks. The bathroom is going to be a full bathroom, so that's not optional. That comes with the house already.
So Ayana, we're here in the main bedroom. We have this beautiful green accent wall accompanied by other amazing features. What are some of the craziest design features that buyers have asked for with the Pacesetter homes?
My favorite thing about Pacesetter and the Design Center is that we have probably 1,000 different options for backsplash.
Wow.
And we've had some really fun backsplashes. One was kind of a geometric gray, white, and black backsplash that we did, and that turned out really, really cool. Well, thank you guys so much for stopping by and visiting our model home in Star Ranch. We have 5 inventory homes left before we're completely done with the neighborhood. You guys want to go and check those out.
Awesome. Well, we really appreciate you having us, Ayana. Hunter and I are definitely going to go check out 2 of those homes today.
This model home was very interesting. Ayana did a great job with the tour. Let's go take a look at some of the other properties they have available for sale.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see the other layouts that Pacesetter has to offer.
Of course, and you can check those videos out now on our YouTube channel, Real Talk Real Estate TV.